Hello, everybody, and my dear viewers. This is Deepak Jain here in English Mania, and today I'm in conversation with Hardik Pandey, and your name is.
Kanishka Chaturvedi.
Could you be loud, please?
Yes, sir. Kanishka Chaturvedi.
Show your energy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So your name is Kanishka Chaturvedi,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, fine. Actually, today I'm going to ask you certain questions, but my first question today is that so many religious books are there.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So actually, sometimes people want that the religious books should be imparted in the education system. Fine.
Yes,
So, what do you think? Should the religious books be imparted in the education system or should they not be? So, Miss Kanishka Chaturvedi,
Yes, sir.
you are from Ratanlal Phulkatori Devi, right?
Yes, sir.
And you come from Natwar Nagar.
Yes,
I know
sir.
about you. So, what do you think about this? About the this religious books? Please let me know about.
Yes, religious
Could you
books.
be loud, please?
Yes, sir. Religious books should be imparted.
Should be imparted, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
Mr. Pandey, what do you think?
So they should not be imparted in our course.
They should not be imparted,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
both of you are like contrary to each other, right?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Fine. So on what basis did you say that? Could you elaborate?
Sir, if our religious books will be imparted in our CBSE course, in any course, so the children those are studying their courses, so they will study what our religious said about us, and they will fight with Muslims and with Hindus, with Christians. So means children will not be able
No,
to
children
do.
is fine, not children,
Okay,
right?
children will not able to do study together.
Okay.
So that will be the great problem with us.
So Miss Kanishka, what do you think about
Sir,
this?
if religious book is not there in our syllabus, so how we get knowledge about our religion?
But sir, we can read our religion books at our home. So what is the need of reading books, religion
No,
books in our school?
all students are not think that I am studying
All
in
the
my
students don't think.
don't think that I am studying in my home.
Okay, what about the conflicts which will be happen in our schools?
If conflicts are okay, not
Okay,
more
conflicts are okay. What will be if any children get damaged themselves,
Injured
injured?
in the
and
fight.
if
Yes.
we so how we get knowledge from for
So we can
How
read-
can we get knowledge, right?
We
How
can read
can-
Bhagavad Gita at our home. We can purchase book and we can read at our home. So what is the problem for reading book at our home?
because without teacher student are not agree to
So parents are not
read.
available at home.
If parents are doing job, then
Okay, both parents are not
No,
doing
it is-
jobs at all homes in India. Okay.
so it is not necessary that in all in means in students conflicts are there
So
Among the
it,
students.
among the students.
Yes.
it will be a lots of conflicts that a Hindu child will say no my religion is greater than your religion, and he will beat him because the Hindus are in like we can say
Hmm.
in large amount of Hindus are
Yes.
in India. That's why we
Large
will be
number is
yes,
there,
sir.
right?
Large numbers are there of Hindu children in India and every school. So they will beat Muslim children. So what
If-
will be happen?
If we study
Not be
religion
happen.
book,
What
Okay,
will
what
happen?
will happen?
Right.
if we read and we study about religion, so we get more knowledge in our future. We will doing good.
We will be doing
We will be doing good.
something good,
Something good.
right?
Okay, so that means our school has to be accept a lot of teachers like for our Bhagavad Gita for teaching Bhagavad Gita book. Our school need any good teacher for
Any
Bhagavad Gita.
particular
Yes,
teacher
any particular, and for Muslim any another teacher would be there
to
But-
teach Islam
yes,
or
to teach
Quran,
Islam.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In our state, or we can say in our India, schools are be different, or we can say are
Okay, what types of difference are you talking about?
I am talking about that in Hindu schools are
Can you tell me name any Hindu school in India?
should be
Means school should be divided for Hindu and
yes,
Muslims.
yes.
Oh.
If we study religion books, then
Religious
it is
books.
religious
Okay,
book,
it is not
then
good that every Muslim and Hindu children do study together and do business and live together in our future. It is not good.
it is good.
So but you are asking that the schools should be divided.
If we are not studying about our religion book, then we are not getting so much knowledge, and we are not going
Going to
do,
be good person.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which type of knowledge do you want to from a school?
Do you want to get
Do you
from
want to get from the school?
If we if we means read and study the religion book,
religious books?
religious
Books about our religion.
yes, about our religion.
Hmm.
So in our religion book, so many good things are there.
But in Muslim religion books, there are also many good things.
Yes, so
Hmm.
So they should be combined. They should be combined if both are good.
no, you said na that if conflicts are there,
Yeah, there
that's
will
why
be
I'm
conflicts. A Muslim teacher said that our Muslim religion is like this, and our Hindu teacher said our Hindu religion is like this, and the children will conflict to each other that my religion is greater than my religion is greater than. So what about these conflicts? Can you tell me, please?
It is
Could
not
you
so.
please tell me?
Could you tell me, please?
So, sure, many teachers are there in the school.
Hmm.
In Muslim means in Muslim religious book, they are the teachers are
Different.
means different.
Right.
Okay, a conflict will happen in school. So how will you solve it?
Teachers are available in the school to solve the conflicts.
But like भेदभाव की
The discrimination.
The discrimination
But the problem
will
is
be
that
in
actually the
heart.
thing is that later as well. I mean, you are right
Yes.
now talking of the conflicts,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Later, once they pass their school, then conflicts are again there. Can there be no possibility then that the teacher can teach the religious books properly, nicely, in such a way that Hindu and Muslims not to fight in future and not to just think anything bad about each other. When people try to polarize them, especially we can say that the politicians, let's say sometimes,
Yes, sir,
just
that-
because of their
yes,
own
I'm saying.
benefit. No, what I am saying is different. So if any good teacher will teach them, preach them about the scriptures, then later in the future there is a possibility that those people will not fight, because those people will, because in the scriptures, especially let's say in Quran, actually this is called the book of peace. Okay.
Yes,
I mean it teaches the people to live in harmony with peace like this. Okay. I mean sometimes people can be wrong, but the books are holy, right? And they never teach anything wrong, because nothing wrong can be taught in the books. Fine. Had there been something wrong, then people wouldn't have followed the books. You should
Yes, sir.
understand that, right?
Yes, sir.
So Ms. Kanishka, what would you like to say about that? Can conflicts, according to him, the conflicts will occur, or according to you, the conflicts will occur in future otherwise, and they do occur right now. The conflicts are occurring in India,
Sir, if
isn't
teacher,
it? Yes.
Sir, if teacher are good and they teach good, that they teach about conflicts, that no conflicts are there, you are equal.
Yes.
If they teach, so nobody think that.
Nobody would think that.
Nobody would think that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What would you have to say?
Okay, sir. If any if the religions book should be included in our course, so that means our teacher should be teach all good qualities.
Our teacher should be teach, or a teacher should teach?
Our teacher should teach good qualities from both books.
Okay.
From any religion books. So there will be
So even
great
if
chances
the
that
teacher teaches
conflicts-
good, or even if the teacher teaches nicely, okay,
Yes, sir.
in harmony and all, so
Yes, sir.
do you think, or do you expect still that because it is the basic tendency of people to fight, so will they be fighting? Do you think so?
So after that they will not fight.
They will not be fighting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
But she
That's
was
why
saying
we-
school should be divided. So what?
If you said na, if conflicts are there, then I said that schools were divided.
Schools
are divided.
Or should be
Schools should be divided.
should be divided,
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
They are not divided.
Yes,
They
sir.
should be divided
Yes,
if the religious books are there in that
Yes,
case.
sir.
So would that be possible to teach the students separately? And would it not look awkward? Then students would also be thinking that why the hell are they dividing us? Or then they would say that, I mean, why are they teaching us differently?
But
Is
the
it like
question
a
is that
course?
what is the need of different schools? My question is that.
You said that
Yeah, the
conflicts
conflict
are
will
there.
be there if
Yes.
teacher will be teach that Hindu
But
religion
why
is
you using
greater
B?
than.
Why don't you listen first?
Okay,
Why are you
sir.
using B?
If a teacher tells that our religion is greater than your religion, conflict then will be there.
So why teacher will saying that?
Why will teachers say that?
Why will teacher say that?
Lots of chances are there.
No, nothing.
Because teacher can't say that, because
Yes, we-
because Because it is not written in the book. So how
Okay,
can
sir,
teacher teach?
if Bhagavad Gita will be teach in schools,
If
so
Bhagavad Gita will be taught.
okay sir, if Bhagavad Gita will be taught in schools, so teachers should have to taught everything about Bhagavad Gita, and in Muslim everything should be taught.
Right.
So means there will be some topics which are against our Hindu religions in Muslim books. So there will be chances of conflicts that
So
there will be conflicts.
teacher teaches peacefully.
But
They-
teacher have to teach all things about their books.
Yes, teacher have to.
So there will be conflicts.
If teacher should teach peacefully, then why conflicts are there?
Okay, a teacher teaches peacefully, but teacher will teach also that our religion is greater than your religions. So our students who belongs to a Hindu religion, he will discriminate Muslim religions students. So conflicts will be there.
So why teacher said that? Why teacher will be?
Teacher have to teach everything. That's why teacher will teach.
So if teacher said this, if teacher will be say this na,
What? If teacher?
will be saying this.
If teacher says this,
If teacher says this
then
peacefully,
hmm,
this in between the students no conflicts are there.
among the students,
There,
Among the
okay, there
students.
is no matter.
conflicts will be there, right?
There is no meet and there is no matter. Teacher teach peacefully. Teacher teach happily.
Teacher teaches.
Teacher teaches happily, teacher teaches sadly, emotionally, there is no matters, okay? But conflicts will be there because teacher is saying our religion is greater than your religion.
No, it is if teacher
How
are,
can you say no?
because if teacher are not teaching proper means hard. Yes, teaching it properly. If teacher are not teaching
Sometimes you are
properly-
saying no, sometimes you are saying yes. What do you want to say?
I want to say that Bhagavad Gita, in Bhagavad Gita, no, nothing is there that our religion
Nothing is there.
Our-
And Bhagavad
Listen,
Gita.
about
listen
this,
first.
Okay.
about this that our religion is
Greater.
up and greater
Hmm.
in the according to
As
means
compared
as
to
compared to
other
Muslims.
religions.
Yes, other
Other, not only
religions.
Muslims but other religions.
Okay, will
Other-
Muslims accept that our religion is not greater than Hindu religions? Will Muslims accept this? Or will Hindu accept this?
So in Bhagavad Gita,
No, but
how,
you said.
First, listen. What is she trying to say?
Okay.
in Bhagavad Gita where it is written,
Hmm. That this religion is better.
yes, it is greater
Hmm.
compared to others.
As
Actually, I
compared
have
to-
not.
As compared to
Actually,
other
I have
religions.
actually I have never read Bhagavad Gita. That's why I don't know. But I listen. Our Bhagavad Gita has about 5,000 pages, and also Muslims as means any book which belongs to Muslim religions. So there will be happen that our religion is greater than Hindu
Not be
religions.
happen. Be and happen are the same.
Okay, sir.
It will happen.
It will happen that our Muslim religion is greater than
No.
your Hindu religions, and Muslims also said that after
Muslims
some
said
time.
that, no, Muslims would say that.
Muslims would say that after some times all the world in all the world there will be Muslims and Muslims. Okay, what about this?
I can't.
Hmm.
I can't accept your. I can't.
Statement.
Yes, sir. Because in Bhagavad Gita, nothing is written in
Like this.
Bhagavad Gita like this that our religion is greater than
Okay, so
other
if
religion.
you are not accepting this, so how can I accept this? That is not written in Bhagavad Gita. Because you have never read Bhagavad Gita and I also have never read Bhagavad Gita.
So
So
if,
there will be 50-50 chances.
Okay.
yes.
Chalo now, because you are trying to speak nicely, fine. And Kanishka has come after a long time,
Okay, sir.
and so that is why she has to just do little bit warm up, right? Without
Yes, sir.
warm up, she started fighting. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, before you play any game, the warm up is there, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
fine, she'll go through that. Okay, and we will be right back with many more topics like this. So be ready to debate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay then. By the time, I mean, it is fine as of now.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.